Imagine a BMW unlike anything before. Sleeker than a dream, faster than fear, and bolder than history itself. This is the 2029 BMW M9. Not a concept, not a fantasy, but a hypercar built to reset the rules of performance forever. Welcome to AutoNext Drive, family. Thank you for clicking this video. May your dreams keep expanding, may your goals come closer, and may today bring you the motivation you need to succeed. Let us dive in together with respect and excitement. If BMW dares to chase the impossible, then so can you. The M9 reminds us that barriers exist only to be broken. Believe in your own hypercar moment where you rewrite the speed of your life and leave doubts behind. The nose is wide, low, and predatory. Slim laser headlights cut through the dark like precision weapons. The kidney grille evolves into a sculpted breathing form, more art than intake. The M9 looks alive before it even moves. Long and flowing, every line serves aerodynamics and beauty. Air channels carve into the body with discipline, sculpting airflow into power. The stance hugs the ground with carbon accents and wide arches ready to grip every curve. A razor-thin light bar runs across the tail, above an aggressive diffuser that looks born on a racetrack. Twin exhaust signatures frame the center, announcing that BMW still knows how to roar even in the hybrid age. Step inside and the cockpit greets you like a futuristic command center. Minimalist luxury meets driver obsession. Every surface feels premium yet purposeful. You are not just sitting, you are strapping into the future. Digital screens wrap around the driver but never distract. Carbon fiber mixes with fine leather and ambient light, creating an atmosphere both fast and calm. The steering wheel feels like an invitation to push harder. BMW iDrive evolves into a voice-first system. Augmented reality displays project racing lines and navigation right on the windshield. Wireless updates keep the car learning, always sharper, always new. Beneath the speed lies protection, collision anticipation, smart traction, adaptive aerodynamics, and a safety cell designed for the extremes. It is proof that chasing records does not mean abandoning care. The M9 carries a twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors, delivering close to 1,100 horsepower. Instant torque meets explosive top end. 0 to 60 vanishes in under 2 seconds. This is speed you do not just drive, you survive. Active suspension adapts every millisecond. Rear wheel steering sharpens corners like a blade. Grip is endless. Control is absolute. The M9 is less a car and more an extension of your intent. Even hypercars need balance. BMW engineered silence at cruising speed, supple ride modes, and climate control that remembers your rhythm. Brutal on track, calm on highway, it respects both adrenaline and peace. The M9 will demand a fortune, likely starting above $300,000. But remember, this is not just a car, it is a declaration, a symbol of what BMW can build when it unleashes everything. BMW M cars defined sports sedans. Now the M9 writes a new chapter, from the legendary M3 to the untouchable M5, each step built toward this. Decades of racing DNA distilled into one machine. Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, Porsche, all should pay attention. The M9 is not chasing trends, it is setting them. It is the rare German hypercar that challenges Italy and wins. Imagine pulling up not just with presence, but with history in the making. Doors rise, heads turn, hearts race. Owning an M9 is not transportation, it is transformation. BMW designed a driving AI coach that learns your style and pushes you to improve on track. It is like having a personal race engineer riding with you every drive. If the 2029 BMW M9 excites you as much as it excites us, hit subscribe and join the AutoNext Drive family. Drop a comment on what rivals you want us to compare it against. Let us grow this journey together. The M9 proves that no dream is too bold. It shows us that evolution can still shock the world. May you find courage to pursue your own masterpiece. May your path be clear and your victories loud. Until next time, keep driving forward with AutoNext Drive.